welcome back to my new video. What do you think is the fastest way to learn a language, like to learn Chinese? A lot of people think Chinese is one of the most difficult language to learn. So what is the fastest way to take a lot of Chinese classes, or answer a lot of questions, or take a lot of exams? No, it is not the fastest way, and those methods are not even effective ways. I want to tell you a story about my English learning experience. A lot of you probably know that English is a mandatory class in China. So the children started learning English since elementary school. So I started learning A, B, C, D, so from the very beginning. My grade was like C to B. I did took a lot of English classes outside for the writing or the writing part. It was not listening and speaking classes. It was answer questions or the writing part. For the first time, my mom met my dad. My mom, she barely read, write, or listening, speak English, so she asked me to help to translate. I thought maybe I could do translate, but you know what? For the first time, my mom met my dad, and my dad talked a lot, and I only understood 5%, very little, very little. I tried to respond in English, and you know what? I barely can speak it, and my dad barely can understand my English. For those years I took mandatory English classes at school, it was almost useless. It didn't help me listening and speaking at all. So after that, I went to an English institute. I spoke more with native speakers, and I got better. And after I moved to the US, I talked with native speakers more, then my speaking was getting better. For the daily conversation, I understand 99%. Before, I understood 5%. Even for the simple sentences, for me, it was so hard to speak out. So talk to the native speakers really can help you to learn a new language. So how to find a native speakers? Your situation might differ than me, because my dad is my stepfather. He's native speakers, and my husband is native speakers. So I understand almost everything they say, and I speak English more than Chinese. So when you have no native speakers around you, how can you interact with native speakers? I really want to introduce you a free language app where you can interact with native speakers. Yes, make friends with native speakers. This language app, HiNative. Very easy to remember this name. Thanks to HiNative for sponsoring this video. This is a really great app. There are a lot of people using it. I talked about this app before. This language app has over 110 languages. You can download it on iOS or Android. You can also use it in your browser. Let me show you how to use this app quickly. So you can sign up with your email, Twitter, Facebook. You can see that a lot of people already ask questions. You can ask your own questions and you can get your answers from the native speakers. So here is the question. So this user's native language is French, and this question is, what's the differences between 乐趣 and 快乐? And you can see that it's already got 5 responses from the native speakers, and their answers are very correct. And here's another question from the native speakers in English, and she asked, how do you say I love you in Chinese? And people already answered. Some users send a written language and some users send the audio. You can listen to the audio. So the audio is in the premium. You can try it for a week and it's free. You can cancel it anytime. In the premium, you can hear how the sound from the native speakers. You can also upload audios of your pronunciation and to get feedback. That's super useful, right? You can hear what they're saying. And this user and his native language is Portuguese, and he asked that it sounds natural, and you can listen to this.
你好，我叫 Lafayette.
The 你好 he spoke is natural, but the rest of them is not natural. How do you record your audio? You just go ask. In the ask, it has the questions format, so it makes asking questions very easy. It has how do you say this, and that this sounds natural. Please show me example sentences with, and what does this mean? What the difference is? That's very convenient, right? It's just to make asking questions very easy. Those are the question format. You can also set your favorite countries. You can ask anything about the countries. Right here, ask freely, ask about a country or a region. And the quick point is to show how the speed user answering questions. So the quality points is help users know which answers most accurately answer different questions. That's the quality points. This app is totally free. Try it out. The link is in the description box. So as I said before, HiNative also has a premium version which includes extra features. You can try it out for free for only a week, and you can cancel it anytime. This video also have a giveaway, so the price is 10 premium tickets that you can use it, and for the extra features you can use these tickets to get more features in this language app. If you want to enter this giveaway, so please give me your HiNative account name and your registered email address in the video comment section. I will randomly pick 3 winners, and I will announce the winners in a week. I hope you will try out this app if you are learning a new language, and please let me know what new languages are you learning right now. A lot of people thinking moving to native speakers country and your new language will improve. Your language will only improve if you learn, if you open to speak with native speakers. If you not learning, or if you too shy to talk with native speakers, then your language will not improve. Native speakers. This is the fastest way to improve your language. And also you need to practice and don't stop. I took Japanese 101 at college and my grade was B because I didn't practice. I forgot like 90 to 95% Japanese I learned. I don't remember. I'll keep back to my teacher. It is the same if you are learning other languages. If you don't practice, you will forget. This is like I learned some new English vocabularies in the past. If I don't use those vocabularies, then I will forget. So the fastest way to learn Chinese or to learn other languages is to practice and speak with native speakers. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it.